Another important question means I told you that you can expect 40-50% of experience level questions in life cycle hooks on in interviews. React.js interviews, majority questions for experienced people will be related to these hooks, life cycle hooks. I told you, architectural based questions means all this under this concept. Okay, next question asked is, what is change detection? This is another important concept asked in interviews. What is change detection? What is change detection? And which hook manages change detection? Actually, change detection is nothing but technically. Detection is a technique. It is a technique used in web applications. It is a technique used in applications. Any application can use it. Change detection is a technique used in applications where the changes in value are identified. Where the changes in value are identified. That means it is a technique used in applications where the changes in value are identified. That means now the question is, who manages change detection in React? Who manages change detection in React? Change detection is identifying the changes in the values. Who manages this change detection? So component will update. It will manage the change detection. So another question is how it identifies the changes by using a software design pattern called single source of truth. By using a software design pattern called single source of truth. By using single source of truth. What is this single source of truth? Single source of truth is nothing but it verifies the previous value with current value. It verifies the previous value with current value. That means what it will do is, if previous value is equal to current value, that means, what does this means? No change detected. Understood? If previous value is not equal to current value is different, previous value is different, then change detected. This is important. And here single source of truth, actually model is referred as single source of truth. Why model is referred as single source of truth? As it contains the data. Already I told you it uses an MVC architecture in the behind. We discussed that, right? It uses an MVC architecture in the background. In MVC architecture, model is called as single source of truth. What this model contains? It contains the value before change and value after change. If previous value is same as current value, that means no change detected. If the previous value not equal to current value, then it is change detected. And in which phase this change detection happens? That means the question can be asked in another way also. That means in which phase of component life cycle, in which phase of component life cycle change detection occurs? What do you say? It is in which phase? Updating phase. In the updating phase, the change detection works. So in which phase of component life cycle change detection occurs? So that is in updating phase. So this is the concept of change detection. So mostly while working with these type of libraries and frameworks, you will come across with change detection.